Here it is, May 7, 2018. This is an update on the 53 Ford F-100 restoration. The bed has been sanded and shot in 2K urethane primer. This should be ready to get painted soon. Had to do some touch up with some glazing putty. There was a small nick there and there. The truck itself is waiting, taped off. Have to do some fixing some scratches on this fender, and then do some touch up stuff here with the bracket system. So that leaves the bed bolts for the fender here is ready. Fenders here, done, and the front valance is ready to go soon with paint. So coming together soon.